Sometimes, when we attempt to tuck in a shirt, it doesn't quite achieve the desired look, particularly with oversized shirts. They can be challenging to manage and maintain up appearing untidy rather than polished. Hence, in today's video, I am to demonstrate various techniques for effectively tucking in your shirt to attain the perfect appearance. If the traditional method of tucking is yielding satisfactory results, print note, as I have alternative method to share. Let's start with the seamless tuck, an ideal solution for days when you're sporting lightweight or sheer pants that reveal what's underneath. Simply tuck the front section of your shirt into the bottom of your bra, ensuring even tucking of both sides. Then adjust the tuck in front of a mirror until it achieves a smooth and tidy appearance. Moving onto the back of your shirt, fold it inward and tuck the bottom into the back of your bra to prevent it from slipping. Proceed to adjust the shirt until it lays flush against your trousers, eliminating any unsightly bumps or outlines. Now, let's explore the full tuck alternative. If the traditional full tuck feels uncomfortable or restrictive, this method offers greater flexibility. Begin by tucking your shirt flat against your skin, then pull out a small amount of fabric in the front to allow for more freedom of movement. Next, pull out the back of the shirt completely and tuck in just the tail, creating a straight line at the back and triangular shape at the front. For a polished finish, roll up your sleeves. If the half tuck hasn't yielded the desired results, try this straightforward approach. Unbutton your shirt and tuck the bottom into your bra, focusing on the side with the buttons. Rebutton the shirt until it reaches your pants, adjusting the front until it appears neat. Tuck the bottom side of the shirt into the back to maintain its shape. Enhance the look with a belt and blazer for more refined appearance. Lastly, let's address the challenge posed by oversized shirts. Gather the excess fabric at the back of the shirt and bring it together at the center. Secure it with an elastic underneath, then tuck the shirt as usual. This technique will eliminate the excess fabric, creating a clear V shape at the back. Remember to roll up your sleeves for a stylish touch. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Until next time, take care.